Most people think Warren Buffett's investment strategy is too complex for regular investors, that you need millions of dollars and decades of experience to invest like him. But here's what surprised me. Buffett's actual strategy is so simple that he's explained his entire approach in just 3 basic principles that anyone can follow. Now, I'm not talking about trying to pick individual stocks like Buffett does. That requires expertise most of us don't have. What I'm talking about is following the core investment philosophy that made Buffett the most successful investor in history, adapted for regular people with regular incomes. The irony is that Buffett himself has repeatedly said that most people shouldn't try to pick stocks like he does. Instead, he's given incredibly simple advice for how regular investors should build wealth, but most people ignore it because they think it's too basic. In this video, I'm going to break down Buffett's 3 core principles, show you exactly how to implement them with modern investment tools, and give you the step-by-step process to build wealth using the same philosophy that created the Oracle of Omaha. Body point 1. Buffett's first principle. Buy the whole market. Here's Warren Buffett's most important piece of advice for regular investors. Buy a cross-section of America and hold it forever. What he means is simple. Instead of trying to pick individual winning companies, buy a piece of every major company in America through index funds. This gives you ownership in Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and hundreds of other companies with a single purchase. Buffett has said this repeatedly. The goal of the non-professional should not be to pick winners, but should rather be to own a cross-section of businesses that in aggregate are bound to do well. Here's why this works. You don't need to predict which companies will succeed or fail. You just need to believe that American businesses, in aggregate, will continue to grow and create value over time. And the historical data proves this belief is justified. The S&P 500, which represents the 500 largest American companies, has never had a negative return over any 20-year period in history. Never. Even if you invested at the worst possible time right before major crashes, you still made money if you held for 20 years. Buffett practices what he preaches. In his will, he's instructed that 90% of his wife's inheritance should be invested in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. If it's good enough for Buffett's family, it's good enough for us. The specific implementation is simple. Invest in broad market index funds like Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTI, SPDR, S&P 500 ETF Trust, SPY, Fidelity, Zero Total Market Index Fund, FZROX. These funds give you instant ownership in hundreds or thousands of companies with expense ratios as low as 0.03%. Body point 2. Buffett's second principle. Time is your friend. Warren Buffett's second core principle is that time in the market beats timing the market. He's famous for saying, "Our favorite holding period is forever." This principle is based on the mathematical power of compound interest, which Buffett calls the 8th wonder of the world. The longer you hold quality investments, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Let me show you why Buffett is obsessed with long-term holding. If you invested $10,000 in Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett's company, in 1980, after 10 years, $63,000. After 20 years, $401,000. After 40 years, $16 million. The majority of those gains came in the final 20 years due to compound interest acceleration. This is why Buffett says, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." For regular investors, this means start investing as early as possible. Never sell during market downturns. Ignore short-term market volatility. Focus on decades, not months or years. Buffett has lived through 13 recessions, multiple market crashes, wars, and economic crises. Through all of it, his strategy remained the same. Buy quality investments and hold them forever. The practical application is simple. Set up automatic investments in index funds and never stop, regardless of what the market is doing. Buffett calls this lethargy bordering on sloth, and it's the most profitable investment strategy ever created. Body point 3. Buffett's third principle. Keep costs low. Buffett's third principle is that investment costs are the enemy of compound interest. He said, "The best way to own common stocks is through an index fund that charges minimal fees." Buffett understands that every dollar you pay in fees is a dollar that can't compound for your benefit. Over decades, high fees can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost wealth. Here's the math that Buffett focuses on. High fee scenario, 1.5% annual fees, $500 per month for 30 years. Gross return, 10% net return after fees, 8.5%. Final value, $566,416. Low fee scenario, 0.1% annual fees, $500 per month for 30 years. Gross return, 10% net return after fees, 9.9%. Final value, $659,777. The difference? $93,361 in lost wealth due to high fees. This is why Buffett consistently recommends low-cost index funds over actively managed funds. He's even made public bets that low-cost index funds will outperform high-fee hedge funds over long periods, and he's won every time. Buffett's fee guidelines for regular investors. Stock index funds. Keep expense ratios below 0.20%. Bond index funds. Keep expense ratios below 0.15%. Avoid funds with sales loads or 12b1 fees. Never pay more than 0.50% for any investment. The practical implementation is choosing funds from low-cost providers like Vanguard, average expense ratio, 0.09%. Fidelity, many funds at 0.00% fees. Schwab, average expense ratio, 0.06%. Buffett's philosophy is simple. Costs matter in finance. The lower the cost, the higher the return to the investor. Body point 4, the Buffett portfolio for beginners. Now let me show you how to build a complete investment portfolio using Buffett's principles. Buffett has specifically recommended this allocation for non-professional investors. 90% low-cost S&P 500 index fund, 10% short-term government bonds. This is exactly what he's instructed for his wife's inheritance, and it's the simplest possible implementation of his philosophy. Why 90% stocks? Because Buffett believes American businesses will continue growing over time, and stocks represent ownership in those businesses. Why 10% bonds? To provide stability during market downturns and give you cash to rebalance when stocks are cheap. The specific funds Buffett would choose. Stock portion. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, 0.03% expense ratio. Bond portion. Vanguard E Short-Term Treasury, ETF, VGSH, 0.07% expense ratio. How to implement this? Open accounts at Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Set up automatic monthly investments. Allocate 90% to stock index fund, 10% to bond fund. Rebalance annually if allocation drifts more than 5%. Never sell during market downturns. This portfolio has generated 9 to 10% annual returns over every 20-year period in history, which would turn $500 per month into over $1 million in 20 years, 30 years. Body point 5, how to think like Buffett during market crashes. Here's the most important part of investing like Buffett. How to behave during market crashes when everyone else is panicking. Buffett's famous quote, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." This means buying more when markets crash, not selling. During the 2008 financial crisis, while everyone else was selling, Buffett was buying. He invested $5 billion in Goldman Sachs. He bought $3 billion of General Electric stock. He wrote an op-ed titled, "Buy American, I Am." His logic was simple. Bad news is an investor's best friend. It lets you buy a slice of America's future at a marked-down price. For regular investors, this means continue your automatic investments during crashes. If possible, increase your investment amount when markets drop 20%, plus never sell during downturns. This locks in losses. Remember that every crash in history has been followed by recovery. Buffett's crash strategy for beginners. Keep 6 months of expenses in cash, emergency fund. Continue regular investments regardless of market conditions. If markets drop 20% plus, use any extra cash to buy more. Focus on the long-term trend, not short-term volatility. The psychological key is understanding that market crashes are sales, not disasters. When your favorite store has a 30% off sale, you buy more, not less. The same logic applies to stocks. Buffett has said, "The stock market is a voting machine in the short run, but a weighing machine in the long run." Focus on the weighing machine. Look, I know this approach seems almost too simple to work. No complex strategies, no stock picking, no market timing. Just buy index funds and hold forever. But that's exactly why it works. Warren Buffett became the most successful investor in history, not through complexity, but through simplicity and discipline. He understood that investing isn't about being clever. It's about being patient and consistent. The 3 principles I've shared, buy the whole market, hold forever, and keep costs low, have created more millionaires than any other investment strategy in history. They've worked for 100 years, and they'll continue working for the next 100 years. Most people will ignore this advice because it's boring. They'll continue chasing hot stocks, trying to time the market, and paying high fees to active managers. And most of them will fail to build meaningful wealth, but you have a choice. You can either try to outsmart Warren Buffett and the market, or you can follow the simple strategy that made Buffett the Oracle of Omaha. Remember, Buffett didn't get rich by being the smartest person in the room. He got rich by being the most disciplined. He followed his principles consistently for 70-plus years, through every market condition imaginable. If you want to implement the complete Buffett strategy, I've created a step-by-step guide that includes the exact fund recommendations, portfolio allocations, and rebalancing schedule. You can grab it free in the description below. The choice is yours. Keep trying to beat Warren Buffett at his own game, or join him by following the simple principles that created his fortune. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into the specific index funds that Buffett himself recommends for regular investors.